Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best reviews for the latest gadgets and tools for your home. Today, we're talking about the best KitchenAid 9-speed hand mixer electric, a powerful, efficient, and versatile tool that every kitchen deserves. This KitchenAid 9-speed digital hand mixer is perfect for anyone who loves to bake, cook, or make recipes with ease. It features 9 distinct speeds, giving you the flexibility to mix, whip, or blend ingredients at exactly the speed you need. Whether you're slowly combining ingredients for a cake, mixing up dough, or whipping up a meringue, the 9-speed settings have you covered. The soft start feature is an added bonus, allowing the mixer to gradually build speed to avoid any messy splashes. One of the standout features of this hand mixer is the included Turbo Beater 2 accessories. These stainless steel beaters are designed to handle everything from the thickest batters to light and fluffy mixtures. The Pro Whisk and dough hooks make mixing even easier, and all the accessories are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. What really sets this hand mixer apart is the Flex Edge Beater. Designed to fit models KHM3, KHM5, KHM6, KHM7, KHM9, and KHMB7, the Flex Edge beaters provide 2x the surface area compared to traditional beaters. This means faster and more thorough mixing, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The hand mixer also comes with a lockable cord, so you can use it from any angle, ensuring your workspace stays neat. The soft grip handle makes mixing comfortable even for extended periods, and you can easily remove any accessory with a single-handed button press. In terms of durability, this mixer is built to last. Its sturdy stainless steel components and the range of accessories included ensure that this mixer will serve you for years. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned baker, the KitchenAid 9-speed digital hand mixer will make your kitchen tasks simpler and more enjoyable. If you want a reliable, high-performance hand mixer, the KitchenAid 9-speed hand mixer electric is the one to get. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews of the best products for your home.